All right, just got done snow plowing again with the blower. Only a few inches. Heavy wet snow took all these trees down. Well, I told you they're my cherry trees, but I was give you some bad information. These are actually crabapple trees. About 50 years old. They don't get too big, but as you can see, the heavy snow yesterday really did a number. So I will be getting a chainsaw this weekend. Oh, if you can't hear it, I got my generator up there still running. Don't know how many days that's going to go for. Look at this shit. Yep. Well, they said we're in for a bad winter. I hope this ain't the beginning of it. All right. Gotta go.